to another video, guys. In this video I'm just gonna kind of talk you through the 253400 swirl flap actuator position control. Swirl flaps close to for positive control deviation. So this is a BMW 730D, it's the 3-litre diesel. That code will probably come up with the 3-litre diesels, maybe with others, but I've seen it more on the 3 litres. Now this is the swirl flaps, so this is the swirl flap fault. So it's carbon that builds up that causes this damage to the swirl flap. Now the vehicle has only done 100,000 miles. The swirl flaps are to be found. I shall show you, and I'll show you what the common issue is, not just with this vehicle but the common problem. I mean, most likely you'll have this faulty here, this end. This is the swirl flap manifold runner, so here, all this. So this is what you need to change. It is okay-ish to change. It's not going to be easy, I have to be honest. You'll have to remove this whole air intake. It's not end of the world. It's pretty damn easy, that. I've done it plenty of times, but it's just getting to them bolts in there. You see them bolts? It's them there. But it is a tricky one, should we say? But if you're going to change it, we highly recommend you change the whole lot complete. I mean, this is one part number there, but change the whole manifold completely, runner. Because the swirl flap, sometimes it's this, and it causes the lever not to open and shut and close, if that makes sense. Or it could be the internal ones, and I'll show you a diagram here. So it could be these little small holes, and the swirl flap's in there damaged, which will give you a worse miles per gallon, should we say. Or it could be this that's packed in and broken inside. So we highly do recommend you change the whole lot, and make sure you get OEM parts, because I have seen it, I've said it in every video, and I highly do recommend OEM parts. Will be boom, kind of plug and play really. But if you don't get the OEM parts, it may trigger the fault again and again and again, and it will cost you 2 or 3 times as much, just because, well, it'll be more labor. That'll be costly in this game. But that's where it is, guys, on this BMW 730D. 530D is the same, 630, 640D, even the 840Ds, the new engines will be similar to this. But yeah, that's where you are. And you can pick the parts up online, on Amazon, on eBay, sorry, it's your best bet. The sort of signs you'll probably get on here is probably engine management light. That'll come on. You may not lose power. If you ask me, I very much doubt you'll lose power, but you may lose power on the charge air pressure sensor, this one here. But I doubt you'll lose it on that one. I've not really come across anyone losing power on that, unless it's just your luck.